In this video, let me show you how to use the Cash App direct deposit. Now, if you're trying to use this feature in order to submit this to your employee's payroll, all you want to do is head over to the banking tab, which should be available on the bottom left of the Cash application. And right here, you'll be able to see the option called direct deposit. Once you tap on the direct deposit option, you'll be able to see your Cash App routing number as well as your account number. You can simply copy in these details and submit these details to your employer. You can do this either within the Cash App as well by heading over and finding your employer, and then you can send this directly to the Cash App. Secondly, you can also get a pre-filled form, and then you can fill in this form, and then you can also email this form. So depending upon which option you like, you can either do it within the Cash App or you can also manually email them. So that's basically all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video.